Well, I am back from my first day of 7th grade at school. Speaking of school, we have a new theme for time. So, history is going to repeat itself with themes we have already experienced. So, let's get going.
It is 1:30.
Wonder who made these animations. They look great.
What is the time?
Oh. Hey, Mama. Thanks for grabbing in my books. I can't wait to meet Miss Mertz and Mr. Chapman again. Yeah.
Cool. You know you can put your backpack over here on these hooks, right? That's what they're for.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Anyways.
Super! It is 11 o'clock. What is the time? Right on! It is 5 o'clock.
O'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, tick-tock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, tick-tock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, tick-tock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, tick-tock.
Yay! What is the time?
You can replay the animations by clicking on the timestamps a second
Great.
time.
It is 1 o'clock. What is the time? Super! It is 1:30.
And you can replay the entire song at the end by clicking on the actual clock.
What is the time? Right on! It is 3 o'clock.
It's a new year with new beginnings. I'm excited for them.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, tick-tock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, tick-tock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, tick-tock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, tick-tock.
Yay!
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, tick-tock.
We're gonna do this.
What is the time?
Even more.
Right on! It is 12 o'clock. What is the time? Great! It is 11 o'clock. What is the time? Good job. It is 1:30. Goodbye.
What is the time?
Right on. It is 1 o'clock.
What is the time?
Super! It is 3 o'clock.
What is the time?
Good job. It is 1:30.
O'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, tick tock. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, tick tock. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, tick tock. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, tick tock.
Yay!
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Okay, one more.
What is the time?
Good
We
job.
ain't got that much.
It is
juice
5:30.
left.
What is the time?
Great. It is 11 o'clock. Goodbye.
What is the time?
Great. It is 2:30.
What is the time?
Super. Goodbye.
What is the time?
Right on. It is 1:30.
What is the time?
Great. It is 4 o'clock. Goodbye.
What is the time?
Good job. It is 2:30.
What is the time?
Great. It is 3 o'clock.
What is the time?
Right on. It is 5 o'clock.
Well, that's this adventure. Goodbye.